Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to change voice in Instagram voice call full tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just head on to your Instagram account first and make sure that you're currently logged in onto the right account. So for this one, we'll have to use a third-party app for this to change the voice once you're already doing a voice call on Instagram. So we need to head on to App Store for that. And I want to let you know as well that this will go ahead and affect all of the calls that you will do onto your account, not just in Instagram voice call. So all of the calls that you will do will be affected with this voice changer app that we're gonna install. So you'll have to search for this one onto your app store, called Voice Changer. So you have this one, click onto that, and you should be able to see this specific app in here. So you'll just have to click onto get to install this, and this should go ahead and add a voice changer effect onto all of the calls that you will do into your account. So once you have installed that and set that one up correctly, head back onto your Instagram account and choose in a person you want to call and try to see if the voice have changed. And that is how to change voice in Instagram voice call full tutorial. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.